Hey guys, welcome to my first video in set theory. So I'll be using Python. So I hope you're having a lovely day so far. And yay, it's Friday. So yeah, let's do some math. Let's do some set theory. Right. So I've got like four sets. So A, B, C, D, and obviously countries in Africa and Europe. Okay. So what I'm gonna start off is if I want to add elements to my set. So I'm gonna add a country in each and every set. So I'm gonna start off with A, right? So I'm gonna add a new country into A. So A1, I'll call that A1, and so that's A dot add, right? So I'm gonna add Mozambique, and then a B1, I'll be B dot add. So this time I'm gonna add Cameroon. And then C1 will be C dot add Belgium. And then D1 is to add let me see, Romania. Okay, right. So that's I've done that. So if I call my set A, if I call A, right, as you can see that's different from the initial set. So Mozambique has been added. So B the same. Then D. Okay, right. So if I want to do union, so union of sets. So I'm gonna start off with Africa. I'll just call it Africa. So that will be A dot union B. So if I type in Africa again, if I call that, so both sets have been put together so to become one set, which is Africa. So all these countries are in Africa, right? So it makes sense. And then Europe would be C dot union D. Rightly so, yeah. So that makes sense. Okay. And then if you want to look at intersections, right? So that's going to be an empty set because I'm just going to use the two sets. So I'll call it Africa Europe. You know, it doesn't exist, but so Africa dot intersection Europe. So AE. Yeah, there's no intersection, so no common countries in both sets. So that's an empty set, which is true. And then there's this thing called difference in set theory as well. So what I'm gonna show you how to do it. So AA equals A dot difference. So what this does is it returns all the elements that exist in set A and not in B. So elements set A, yeah, and so if I type in AA, so it's all the Southern African states, and then if I do the same as well, BB equals B dot okay, so it brings sets in so it brings elements in set B. Okay, right. So I'm gonna look at copying, so I can copy a set as well. So I'm gonna call it Southern Africa. Which is a dot copy. Okay, and then Western Africa. Okay, so what I want to do now is do a disjoint. I mean, basically showing you how to copy a set. So let me just do that. So Southern. So it brings all the countries in Southern Africa and likewise Western Africa, right? So you're just copying the set. So that's the code for that. Okay. So now I want to show you something about disjoint. I mean, if sets are disjoint. So obviously a set is disjoint if no common elements are found in no common elements in both sets. Okay. So I'll start off with this, then equals, then Southern. Sorry, dot is disjoint. Western Africa. Right. So this. So that's true because there's no matching elements or no common elements in both sets. So that's true. So basically, it's just an if the intersection is an empty set, then that's the same case as well. So I'll do that. So Southern. Africa dot intersection Western Africa. Yeah, so that's an empty set, which is true anyway. Okay, so what I want to do now is I want to remove, if you want to remove an element from the set, so I'm going to go with set C. So that'll be EU equals C dot remove UK, right? And then EU equals C dot copy. So EU, right? So you can see that the UK has been removed. So I mean Brexit. So it's no longer in the EU. So the EU, the UK has been removed from the EU. Okay, so that's the code for removing sets. It's similar to discard as well. Okay, so you can use discard. So I'll start off. I'll do that again. So EU1 equals discard. Sorry, C dot discard. Okay, same concept. Okay, so France, Netherlands, Ireland, Germany, or Deutschland, whatever you want to call it, and Belgium. Yeah, so this is just the first of another video that's going to come up, just to show you how to use Python to work on set theory problems. So hopefully this is helpful, and if there's any other questions, just hit me up at the bottom. Okay, so thank you guys, and have a lovely Friday. Cheers, bye-bye.